So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus, and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Oh, we got a new update with Uber Pro, guys. This is the new Uber Pro. So meet the new Uber Pro. We're gonna go over rewards you can get, new discounts. Driving with Uber is more about than getting passengers from point A to point B. Is it though? I'm pretty sure that's all it is. It means going the extra mile, no pun intended, to drive, earn, and move like a pro. In 2018, we launched Uber Pro. So now the program's even better. Let's check it out. Rewards inspired by your goals. Both on and off the road. Driving earns you points that unlock rewards. A cash reward. Ooh, how much money? Control where you drive. A free 1 year at Costco. Free snacks and drinks at 7-Eleven with purchase. Savings on gas with Upside. Oh, we got a new partnership, guys, with Upside. Plus the rewards you know and love. And love. Is that Andrew Tate? No. He's, oh yeah, like a normal guy's, like Uber. He looks so happy in front of his Tesla.
Oh my God. Wow,
What?
This was a great video.
You like it? Oh, it's not even playing. Hold on. Wait, are you saying you're bored or what?
These are great rewards.
Yeah, guys. So if you drive for Uber 100 hours a week, you can get free snacks with a purchase at 7-Eleven, and your free Costco membership. And you know what, guys? You can even get cash back with Upside, which, by the way, you can just get cash back when you sign up for Get Upside. Just downloading the app. So it's like, it's kind of dumb in my opinion.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure 7-Eleven has their own like rewards program where you get free snacks when you buy like coffee. Like I went into and the guy was like, "Oh, you get a free donut with coffee." Because I went and got a coffee and he was like, "Oh, with our 7-Eleven program, you get a free donut." And I was like, "I don't want to."
There's an obesity problem in America.
Yeah, I denied the donut. I'm promised I didn't eat the donut. I'm on a diet, okay? I don't really want to watch that one. Okay. So that's basically Uber's excuse for not having to pay drivers more. So this is them. You guys ask for a raise. This is what you get. You get free snacks.
Yeah.
With a purchase. So go spend $5, you get a 50-cent free snack. You get free, like, maybe a free lollipop or something. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.